the dark and bright, it's just another day in my life, trying to find the love, trying to find the love.
Y'all, I just want to send a special shout out to the hair diagram, the Ashley Marie collection. I have switched over my hair products and I've been loving them. Yeah, and Royal uses them too. I use the curl cream with avocado and sunflower. Y'all, you're talking about nourished curls. My hair has been looking good. It's been feeling so soft. I love it, and it defines the curls that I have. And on top of that, I use the styling mousse that helps control frizz, and it adds that extra little volume to my hair. If you notice, my hair has been looking extra, like a little bit more than usual. That's why. And I get a long lasting style without weighing my hair down. Love these products. Listen, I got a 12% off coupon code for y'all, so just use Sweet Angel 10. That's it. That's right, Royal, right? Yeah, that's it. So check them out. I got my link below, and I am an affiliate of them. That's how much I love the products. So check them out. So tonight's skincare is going to be some of my new products I just received. I received from Lily-Anna Naturals this charcoal face scrub. It's an anti-aging facial exfoliator. I also got the Lily-Anna Naturals Vitamin C Serum, High Potency Hyaluronic Blend, and I also have a Day and Night Cream, the Retinol Cream, High Potency Hyaluronic Acid. Oh my. So we are going to have a wonderful skincare night thanks to Lily-Anna Naturals. And I will definitely let y'all know how amazing these products work out for me. Just got an Amazon package here. This is it's from Be a Small. Thank you, Be a Small, for sending these over. These are facial clean sponges. It says, let the colorful beauty puffs from Be a Small add an extra touch of joy to your day. This includes 2 star-shaped facial cleansing puffs, 7 bamboo fiber makeup removal cleansing cloths, and a reusable silicone storage case, which is this. Contribute to environmental protection for the earth. Okay, cutesy. Looks like so. Wow, they're big. You know, I thought I was going to have some of these. I wanted some of these for putting on powder and stuff, but these are huge. Look at there, but they're cute as freak. Still may be able to, who knows. Wow, it's a lot of them. Cute. The little storage for them. So let's put them inside here. I guess this is to when you get ready to wash them or something. So nice.
No.
Wait a minute, baby. Say hi.
Hi.
Say how you doing. Say happy Thursday. She's so busy now, y'all. She's so busy. So cute. She loves Halloween stuff too. She was eating some soup. Yummy. But anyway, Be a Small, thank you so much. This is so So cute. I'll be putting this to use my next skincare routine, which is tonight. Y'all, it's that time of the year when I actually place my Avon order. Y'all know I get a lot of my Christmas decorations have come from Avon, and they got some cute stuff. Yeah. Y'all know I have to keep these lips moisturized, but they got some cute stuff, and that is what your girl is up to right now. I was just finalizing my order here, and we're gonna do a haul in probably just a few days, so y'all stick and stay for that so I can show you the goodies that you can actually get your hands on. Okay, because you're going to want to. They have the cutest stuff. I mean, the cutest stuff. So I'm about to check out right now. Don't need any brochures. All of my customers, which I want to thank y'all so much, come from online sales, and I appreciate y'all totally. I do. I'm probably my biggest customer. I'm pretty sure I'm my biggest customer. Oh my God, I am. So we're going to continue and submit this order. We done. That's a big order. But I got some things. I want the house to look like Enchanted Forest for the most part. And I'm hoping I can get some other things. Amazon have a few things that I want. I really wanted a second Christmas tree. I wanted a little Christmas tree for the baby to enjoy. And I wanted her to decorate it. So we don't know if that's going to happen or not, because I really don't have any cutesy kitty-fied trinkets, and I don't know if I will invest in that budget wise. I don't think that's gonna happen, but we're gonna see. Okay, y'all, what kind of friend would I be if I didn't tell y'all that the Ayurveda experience is having a sale? It's a limited time offer. Yes, you can actually get 2 of your favorite Ayurvedic skincare gems for $59. I'll have all of the details down in the description box, but honey, if you're ready to glow the Ayurvedic way, you better go ahead and do it right now. Again, get 2 of your favorite Ayurvedic skincare gems for $59. Hey, do the math. Each product usually costs $45 to $48, which means 2 would be up to $96. But with this offer, you're getting both for only $59. That's a savings of up to $37, nearly 40% off. Y'all better jump on it. Link is below. My link is below, girl. This is what I grabbed. I grabbed me the Yavari Youth Spring face oil, and the, I don't even know how to pronounce this, the Balaya Black Gram Booster Body Oil. So I got my face taken care of and my body taken care of. Okay.
But I'm grateful anyway. Yeah, just another day in my life. But I'm grateful anyway.
Y'all, these upcoming clips, look, the neighborhood is going crazy with kids doing dumb stuff, and we are not going to tolerate it. Mr. Dobbins, he is on his job. He's going to call them people on him. Yeah, he's on his job. Because he's going to make sure the neighborhood stays safe and sound and stop the madness with these kids. Y'all get y'all kids. Y'all check out this mess.
friend to eat. Now we lock our doors, keeping hearts confined. Everybody rushing, nobody got time. We got more ways to talk, but less to say. Screens in our faces, love's faded away. Where did the love go? Who closed the door? Used to feel sunshine, now it's cold to the core. Where did the love go? It slipped through the cracks. I'm calling out for kindness, somebody bring it back. Children lost in noise, chasing empty fame, trying to be seen but forgot their name. We used to teach respect, now we just survive. The soul of this world, barely alive. Can't blame the wind for blowing strong. It's us who forgot. It's us who forgot where we belong. Love ain't gone, it's waiting still, for hearts with courage and hands with will. Where did the love go? Oh, where could it be? I'm searching the world, trying to set it free. Oh, somebody please bring that sweet love back to me. Oh, Mama prayed hard, tears on the floor. Hope the children wouldn't want for more. But this world's cold and faith runs thin, trying to survive where pain begins. We got the broken generation blues, living fast, got nothing to lose. Hearts been bruised, souls confused, singing these broken generation blues. Yeah, money got power, truth got cheap, dreams sold online, can't get no sleep. Oh, they tell us to shine, but dim our light. We fight in shadows in broad daylight. Don't point fingers, we all play a part. This hurt been passing from heart to heart, but the chain can break if we choose to see that love's still stronger than misery. Yeah, we got them broken generation blues. But hope's a song we can still use. Let's heal this pain, let grace renew. These broken generations. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. I used to point fingers, say they need a change, but the mirror showed me I was the same, talking about love, but living with pain, trying to find sunshine